So, apparently the new Silence They Are out. Let's give it a go. Apparently they've revolted the drum guns. I've heard online. I'm not sure if it's true because my mate told me it's not true, but let's have a look. Why is this guy backing off? Oh, he's not. Okay, I'm sorry. First chest. Oh wait, mate, it could have been. Kadabra!
Nope.
Safety. Abracadabra!
Nope.
Dead. Abracadabra!
Nope.
I mean, I'll take that, you know. Oh, I just realised this house had 3 chests in. Sick. Oh, hello there, kiddos. Hello there, bro. Just trying to be friends. BAP! Okay, I'm trash. I'm officially trash. Where is this kid? Get out! Oh! Hit me. I don't have mats to be doing this, mate. Oh, he's got crack knucker. No, not crack knucker. They hit me loads. Trash! Hi.
Nice.
So, who remembers that music that was playing? I haven't seen a drum gun yet. The vaulted thing could be true. Hey kiddos! There's so many people here. Oh god, there's so many people here. That's my house! That's where I normally go. Oh, cheers. Oh! 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 I got it! Oh! Guys! This loot! I want a shot, but I don't want to just shoot anything. What is that sound? Epic. Epic. It generally doesn't sound great. That's my first impression. The sound is just trash. Not sure about it yet. Oh, no, I don't like it. I don't like it, okay? I don't like it.